Good morning again, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Backpack Trader Training Room Crude Oil Inventory Report session for Wednesday, July 9th, 2025. Please note the required risk disclosure. This room is for educational and information purposes only. It is not financial advice. Trade your charts, not mine. Trading of this type carries substantial risks and should only be attempted with funds you can afford to do without. All right. This is our last session today, so we'll do away with that. Got a potential. Now, these are all well before the report, so I'm probably not going to be interested in these. I want to see new setups for the report. All right. Unleaded is almost at money management. Unleaded and crude both at 50 EMA on Spotlight. Spotlight, crude, 8-tick range bar, 8-cent momentum bar, trade station. That's a larger chart to the right. Upper left is unleaded, also on Spotlight. 20-tick range, 0.0020 momentum bar on trade station. And finally, counterpunch, crude, 377 tick chart. And that looks like that may just stop out. There's another new trade. Possible short. Crude just kind of going sideways since around 9:30. Less than a minute to the report. Ten seconds. 5. There's the report. Came out a couple of seconds early. Looks like. Reaction range not very large. There's a short trade. Still a minute 10 to go. Unleaded's going too far. We did stop out of the yeah, there's a short trade set up. I want to see a new set. That's a reaction setup. I want to see a new setup there. Unleaded with a short setup. And we're in our, no, we're not quite there yet. That's a minute in. I would say that's not, that one's one I would probably get in sync with. We're in our trade time. I'm going to get in sync with this one at 84 as well. Unleaded stops out, so that's get in sync is off the table. Full crude stops out, so we'll cancel that one as well. That's a long trade. That's a valid long trade on the 377 tick counterpunch. So crude and unleaded on spotlight are both flat. Short trade on unleaded. Okay, the unleaded trade getting very close to money management. Just barely missing it. Not much of a reaction here to the report today. Short trade, and I was asleep at the switch, and that goes to money management without us, or without me anyway. Break even stop, but no target yet. Unleaded picking up targets 1 and 2. That will be a one and done for unleaded. Looks like 377 counterpunch stopped and reversed to short. Gets target 2, trailers at 88, and stopping out at 88. Is at 87. Long trade, I believe we'll need it to get positive. This one's getting very close to long trade. Break even on so we're long now. Go ahead and put a order in. That was okay. Unleaded is done. If we can get money management, if we can get a target on 377, it should be done. All right, money management on the 377 tick counterpunch. Okay, there's target. We're rapidly approaching 10 tick. Oh, 1 to 89, so that's going to be 12 tick, 24 tick loss. We got a 4 tick adjustment on that. So we would have gone to target 3 at 14 ticks. We picked up 2 ticks on the trailer. 16, down 8. We got plenty. Crude hitting money management and target 1. So we get a break even and a target 1. So this is going to be power quitting. Now for target 2 at 68.25. Looks like 377 tick stopped out. That'll be enough to get it positive for sure. We were only down 8 and got more than that on the target. Yeah, target 2 was worth 15, so we're plus 7, 15, 16, 18. We're plus 25 on the 377. Plus 2. Plus 21 so far on Spotlight Crude. We have another, at least one more tick on the trailer at this point. Crude finding resistance at this 68.820 open. Okay, unleaded and 377 tick counterpunch. Spotlight unleaded, 377 tick counterpunch. Crude, both done. And waiting for this trade to finish. And all three charts will be done. Waiting for this trade on Spotlight Crude. In the long, stop now at 67.98. Looks like they'll move up to 67, maybe move up to 67.91. If it closed down, it won't move, because will be closed. Let's see, will it? Yeah, if it closes down, it'll close below the balance line, and the stop won't move. Okay, stop move up to 99. Three ticks on the trailer for Spotlight so far. Up close, and there it is. Up close brings it up to 868.04. Looks like 68.07 on the next bar. And there's 68.07. And 11 ticks on the trailer. Still finding resistance at the 68.20 level. That is showing as the session open yesterday evening. There's a peak above. See if it can close above. Right. Couple of moves there, 68.13, and we did push through that session open. And the target too, so that does finish the trade. Target 2 worth 30. So 51 ticks on the session to go along with 54 this morning, 54, 55. Good day. 100 ticks. Hundred ticks plus today on crude between the 9 a.m. session and the inventory report. Questions or comments? Stop moves up now to 14, but all positions are done. Seeing no questions or comments submitted, we will call it a day. Back tomorrow morning at 9:30 for a regular session. We will see you then.